Hi, I'm Paul.
Hey, I'm Chris.
We're back again with another edition of H&I Automotive's H&I, two guys talking car stuff. And today we're going to talk about the importance of windshield wipers and the importance of making sure the sprayers that clean your windshield are in good working order.
Very important because one thing we have out here is bugs.
In monsoons, and as we all know, now is the time. So everybody forgets about how important it is with your windshield wipers, and when you find out, Chris, when you need them.
When the monsoon hits and you go on and you turn the wipers on, you get this little string going, doing nothing to the window. That's not the time to find out. You want to find out before.
And you think, wow, I can't see anything. I would like to clean my windshield. And you pull the trigger on your sprayer, what happens? They don't work, and then you're really in trouble.
Or dribbles down, or sprays over there.
Or the guy next to you.
Yeah, that's really fun.
Bad
so,
idea.
why don't you show them what wipers and washers are supposed to look like, Paul?
Let's do that. All right.
Boy, I can hardly wait.
Right. I'm going to make sure this doesn't screw me in the face, so I'm going to lean into it. All right, here we go.
Ah, it's a beautiful thing. Look how clean. That's what you want.
That's the way it's supposed to work.
All right. So if you might notice, he's got some fancy blades on those on that vehicle. One of these, right, Paul?
One of these. And what's the difference between these two, Chris? This is a
beam blade, and this
blade.
is your standard blade.
Got it.
Standard blade usually goes on by that little hook, and if you're really old school, they used to have this little pin that goes right through the middle of the blade.
Right.
And you know they do all right, but a few years ago they came up with these beam blades, and they attach differently. They usually attach from the end, and then you see you got this really cool beam. And when you're driving down the road at speed, the wind catches it and will actually press the blade down to your windshield and help it clean better. So I think that's what you really need to know about wipers, except to have them checked.
Yes, and make sure your fluid reservoir for your sprayer is in good working order. And hey, number one, make sure there's fluid in there. Number two, you also want to add a little bit of mixture of windshield wiper fluid. Now you can say, well, why not just use water? You can. But the windshield wiper fluid actually has other additives in it to do two things. One, it's got a little bit of a detergent that helps remove the grease and grime that gets accumulated on your windshield so it doesn't streak, and it dries a lot quicker and cleans out the dead bug guts. That's hard to say. Dead bug guts.
That's also a lot of information.
A lot of information all at the same time. All right, my
what's the second thing? In case we do have some vehicles that go up north to snow in winter.
Keeps the water from freezing.
There you go.
Nailed it.
What a surprise that is. So
we don't have to worry about that here, but up north you do.
We do.
Good call.
So, hey, thanks again for joining us. I think we're done for this episode, and
catch you on the next time with H&I's two guys talking car stuff.
That's us. Good to go.
Nice.